Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and unlock the device. Once done, open Settings and type Control Center in the search bar. This jumps you straight to the right menu. You do this to avoid digging through menus and to see current layout options immediately. Make sure to note or back up your current layout before changing style, since you might prefer reverting. Now tap the Notifications and Control Center entry, and get ready to choose Style options at the top. You now choose the style, pick the new Control Center, or switch back to the old notification shade. The difference affects gesture layout and appearance. Once selected, tap Customize or Style to edit tiles and quick toggles. You should rearrange icons by dragging. This sets priority for frequently used toggles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and flashlight. Also adjust icon size and visibility to avoid clutter. If you want a compact look, reduce icon size. For easier access, increase spacing and add the most used shortcuts. You finish by saving the changes and testing. Swipe down from the top edge to confirm the new Control Center style appears and gestures behave as expected. If the style doesn't apply right away, restart the system UI or simply reboot the phone. This often resolves lingering display issues. Make sure to clear the Settings app cache if problems continue, and if nothing helps, revert to the default layout and repeat customization slowly. That one troubleshooting tip usually fixes misapplied styles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.